Howdy and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's activity, we are going to design a pressure vessel, and it will come in two parts. This first tutorial is the actual bottle or beaker portion, and the second tutorial will be the cap. One of the first things to check, today I would like to operate in millimeters, so on the document settings tab, I can expand that with that arrow and make sure that I change my active units to millimeters. If it was on inch, feet, meter, then I need to change it. I need to make sure that it is set to millimeters. I could choose to make that my default if I wanted to. And now I want to talk about this sketch. It is not a fully constrained sketch, and I want to have the ability to make some changes to it later, so that is fine. Couple of other important features. It needs to be set relative to the origin. I have set a constraint distance of 10 millimeters from the origin, and my wall thickness on this profile that I've set out is 1.5 millimeters. I do not recommend going any larger than 1.5 millimeter wall thickness, nor do I recommend going any lower than 1 millimeter on your wall thickness. 1 millimeter or less has the potential of failing. 1.5 millimeters of 3D printed material is too much and it wastes time and material. So when we're done, we're going to finish the sketch, and we would like to do a revolve feature from the pull down menu, revolve. And our profile is going to obviously be this sketch that we just created. The axis is going to be the Z line, that blue line right there. And once we say new component instead of new body, we're going to click OK. So this will generate a beaker or bottle type shape. We need to apply our threads, and it's important to use ISO metric threads. We're looking for a 20 millimeter size. The designation is M20 by 2.5. And it is a right hand. We want to use modeled, check that box, full length, check that box, and remember size, check that box. So we're going to click on the inside surface to apply the threads, and we're going to say OK. At that point in time, we're ready to save our work, and the next tutorial will be the cap. So save your work and stay tuned for the cap.